So we have this footwear to make today. So the first thing we're going to do is to mask our shoe last. Okay, then from this point down we're going to measure 5 centimeter. So place your tape on the shoe last and measure 5 centimeter mark there. Then from this other side we'll measure 7 centimeter and make a mark there. Just place it like this and eyeball it and mark there. So now we're going to connect this line down to this place. Okay, so while doing this, gradually try and make sure that the line stays straight, even though we are not going to be needing this particular place. Is the front part of the sandal is just a stretch strap, but we need it so that we can know where our back strap, the crisscross, will go to. Okay, so now after drawing this, making sure that the line is straight enough and even, we will measure 3 centimeter from this line to this side. 3 centimeter. So place your tape like this and take the measurements here. Then also this other side, you take your measurement 3 centimeter. Okay, so place it, make sure it's even, and we're going to connect this down to this. So here just keep connecting it till everything stays. You can just make it easy by placing your tape and keep measuring 3 centimeter all the way, so that you just connect it. Alright, that will be easy for us. So now we'll just connect this all straight like so, as you can see. Then let's quickly confirm that we'll still maintain the line. Okay, so everything stays almost even. So just go ahead and adjust it, which will bring us to the 3 centimeter. Like I said earlier, we don't even need it, but for the sake of the crisscross where it will go, that is why we are drawing this particular strap. So what we are going to do is take a measurement from here to this place, 3.5 inches. So place your tape like this and make a mark on the 3.5 inch here. So from this 3.5 inches, we'll take a measurement backwards 3 centimeter. That is here. Okay, so now we're going to take this up a bit. Just from that place, take it up a bit and take this other one up a bit. Now we will take a measurement from this other side, the 3.5 inches. Take a measurement of 2 centimeter upwards and make a mark there. We'll be needing it later. Okay, so just place it like this and make a mark 2 centimeter. Then from this other line, we make a mark of 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is where this other line will stop. Then now we'll turn to this heel side, a bit toe side. Then after drawing our line, counter line here to this place, we'll make a measurement of 6 centimeter. So just place this way and make a mark at 6 centimeter, then upwards 3 centimeter. Okay, so these are the two measurements we need here. Now we're going to connect this line where we stop here to this other side. Just curve it like this. So from where we stop on this other line, we're going to connect it and curve it out. So go ahead and connect it and make sure it's very curvy and straight as possible. Okay, so now from this side to somewhere here, we will connect. So what we do is take a measurement from here this place 2.5 centimeter, just by this end, or you can make it 3. Okay, so make a mark there. So we're going to connect curve from this place here to that mark we made just now. So we curve it in like this. Then this lateral line, this place, let's make a measurement of 5.5 centimeter. So this will guide us where this curve will come into or meet at the center. So just draw the line, then connect it to this mark we made at this other side of the further edge. Okay, so this is how you draw it to this other side. Just keep doing it, keep curving it till it meets properly and it's almost straight. All right, so now this is what we have. We're going to take a measurement here also, 3 centimeter. So place the tape like this and make a measurement of 3 centimeter. Just make a mark, take a measurement and make a mark there. So here is 3 centimeter. So we are going to take this measurement of, just place the tape in the line we draw earlier and make a mark at 3 centimeter. Keep going so that it will be easy for us to get an even line. So I will now just connect it like this. Okay, as you can see, it's much easier than just freehanding it. So we will extend these measurements till this other side. Okay, 3 centimeter. Then we'll keep connecting it after the measurements. So here I have connect mine. Just keep going till you are okay the way it is. Okay, so from this back side we will bring in the line also to meet with the line we are starting up now. So I'll measure 3 centimeter also from the previous line we drew from here and connect this line here. So keep on going this so that it will meet the second line we drew from the inner part of the shoelast. Okay, so this is still 3 centimeter till this point here. So I'll just go ahead, draw the line and then make sure it's straight as possible. Okay, so now we are trying to meet with the second line we drew from the inner part of the shoelast. Don't forget, try and make it as straight as possible. So we take a measurement from here, 2.5 centimeter, just by this edge, so that we know where it will curve in from. Just make a mark and curve it like this, and bring this other one to meet it like so. So now our pattern is ready. So all you have to do now is just make sure that every line is as straight and even as possible. Okay, curve out everything that we need to curve out, straighten everything. Our pattern is ready here. So what we do next is just this particular one, we don't really need it, just this other side is what we need. So this is our main pattern. So now we will extend this strap here. This is our buckle and fastening strap. Just extend it a little bit, even though we will still add it on our plain paper. So we'll extend it just by this place. Okay, so after the extension we are almost done. So here we will cut out our buckle, where our buckle will stay. So from the line we draw at this place, okay, measure 3 centimeter inward. You can make yours shorter, you can make it longer, but mine measures 3 centimeters from that line. So this is where I will cut out for the buckle itself. Then the other one will be for the fastening. Okay, so just make a mark here. We will use it later. Okay, so after this now is to transfer our cut it out from the shoelast and transfer it to our plain paper. So here I've transferred it to our plain paper, and as you can see, we have curves that we need to straighten and extend the lasting allowance also. So what we are going to do is just use our ruler and draw a straight line. Make sure that we still maintain the 3 centimeter measurements we use for the drafting. Okay, so we just extend this, draw a straight line and extend them. This side is the fastening strap and the buckle strap, so make sure that the line still stands 3 centimeters. Okay, so after confirming this, if it's not, go ahead and make small adjustments and then you are good to go. So now what we have to do now is just to cover out everything that we need to cover out here. Okay, if it's not in order, go ahead and do that so that everything will stand and stay pretty nice here. So I'll just go ahead and cover out this place, making sure that it's even. So when you are done, we will add to this other side, we will strengthen it just as we did to the buckle and then fastening strap. We will also draw a straight line and then extend this other side for our lasting. Okay, so please, if you're using a double sole, the sole used for this footwear, please make sure you have more than enough for the lasting, because I almost made that mistake here. Mine was shorter than I needed it, so I had to add it while cutting my leather. So please make sure you add more than enough here. It's better you cut excess than having to start all over again. So now we will add total of 5 centimeters. I added 3 here, later added 2, so go ahead and add 5 centimeters here. Okay, then extend the line like so, still maintaining our measurements as well. Okay, so now after this, cover out this other part, make sure that it's even as possible. Then this other side, we also make a little touch and fine-tune everything, then add our lasting allowance here, 3 centimeters. So I've added everything, as you can see, extended all the things that we need to extend, cover out and straighten everything. So we just have to trim out this from the main paper. So I've cut everything out and this is how it looks like. So let's quickly look at it. This is the fastening strap which goes for the left. The short one will come from the other side. So after tracing it out, all you have to do is cut out this one for the buckle, then leave the long one for the fastening. So let's quickly look at how it looks on our shoelast. This is it. Okay, so as you can see, it's short here, so that's why I extended it while cutting my leather. So now after everything is all done, we're going to cut our leather with this pattern, then we will do the rest. So now I have cut my leg, I've traced it on my leg, and as you can see, I have a folding allowance to this. So all you have to do is apply adhesive to the leather now, and then we here and here and here we cut it, just make a slit to it. So like first one, I've applied my adhesive and a stripe, so I'll use my scissors and make a slit. Make sure it doesn't get to the main pattern line, just as that folding allowance. That's all you need to slit a bit so that it will be easy for you to fold it in. So after slitting it, just go ahead and fold the edge all round. Okay, fold it all round. So here I fold everything, and what is just remaining is to attach the lining. So for the buckle side here, what you need to do is measure 3 centimeters from here, then slit it inside, attach elastic to the buckle and fit it into it, then attach the lining and sew it all around. Okay, and then go ahead and couple it. So here I've coupled my footwear, and it's actually a twin request, as you can see. So if you have any question, go ahead and ask in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer them. And also I want to apologize, I never knew that the pattern drafting, it was a bit low, so forgive me for that. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share for others to see. See you in my next class.